Is that I should tell myself you must pay, all your sins and no maybe.
Olha essa shawty gostosa, tarada, safada, sentando na vara. Pedindo que pra tomar essa bala que eu tô chapado, você tá chapado. Então desce com a bunda na vara. Correndo perigo, fuga na quebrada. Muita adrenalina, vida acelerada. Bico sempre olha, mas nunca acha nada. Na primeira já sai rasgando, segunda e terceira é grau na quebrada. Fui agitado, mas eu não preciso, sempre acelero nas curvas fechadas. Cara folgado, vocês sempre não aguentam. Papo furado, vocês não arrumam nada. Só menor louco, corre pelo centro. Pra pá de vacilo, nunca foi encontrado. Ei, quero ver quem me pega em cima da minha XTZ. Olha eu dando fuga, tô passando na TV. Tô muito mais rico que o dono do SBT. Oh, yeah, não dou passo em falso no campo minado. Cê fala que eu corre, mas cê tá parado. Quem chega em primeiro, mas fica de lado. São filha da puta de um rei arrombado. Então tenta fazer metade do que eu faço. Que talvez um dia tu seja notado. Nessa situação sempre fico bolado. Cara diz que é foda, vulguba de dude. Tem
Tudo é sempre pra minha gang. Prepara e faz bico.
Told them niggas stay clear, I'll make a way for myself. Reach numbers knowing this, so in my city I'm a different tier. I wanna wipe away my tears with 100 bills, nothing else. I know it's hard to admit when the rookie to vet. I said I'll manage myself, so it's bigger to check. My heart been covered in mud, so they dig on my chest. I always felt like the one, they say I'm second at best. Been through so much pain that I wouldn't be the same without. Got this feeling deep inside me that this block of haters doubt. I got paid in the drought, I'm ballin' hard, fuck a scout. Some niggas heavy so big that they gotta crouch. But really they ain't do shit but just keep running they mouth. I humble them out, I'm shining with the sun never out. And I'm the type that stay low-key but they in love with the crowd. Before a bag I'll pop out, talk to slick, get hit unannounced. Yeah, I'ma grind till my time is up and I'm in the graveyard. I'ma shine summertime, bless the ones who pray hard. Told my baby if she get caught up, she got a name guard. How the fuck you pushing all this weight but got the same vibe? I feel like this my year, ain't at the top but I'll make it there. I told them niggas stay clear, I'll make a way for myself. Reach numbers going in, so in my city I'm a different tier. I wanna wipe away my tears with 100 bills, nothing else. I know it's hard to admit when the rookie to vet. I said I'll manage myself, so it's bigger to check. My heart been covered in mud, so they dig on my chest. I always felt like the one, they say I'm second at best. I done gave up second chances like I never learned. Watch my heart catch on fire, they let it burn. Believe they Lord said it's stern, watch it bleed, they ain't looking stern. If I ever tell you leave all my life and just don't return, this for all the ones who doubted, I got sun in the group. I'm like the father in my city, got all my sons in the booth. I'm paranoid, I can't switch cause they watching my every move. Better watch this how you stepping, I'll knock you right out your shoes. I'm the type to take an L but never lose. If I got me a million, then all my niggas do too, yeah. Cause what's the family if it's all about you? I made a promise to myself, I won't stop till my city boom. I'm the type to go and get it, no excuse. If you ain't down to ride and check the dudes, the narrative of your life, be careful just what you choose. Cause that street shit make you headlining in